Hello, my name is James, and today I would like to show you the very basics of iMovie, how to basically get a movie onto iMovie, edit it, add in music, for example, if you want to, etc., etc., and then publish it. Let's go to the screen right now. So, how to use the iMovie application on your computer. Before we start, if you see the mouse on the top left hand side, I've got all the things that I want to put into my movie. This one is going to be related to YouTube. So if we go here, you'll get a screen like this. Just quite simply go to create. This is just really basic stuff, and you'll get something like that comes on the screen. Before you do anything, go to my movie. Okay, so then you can see it's here. You want to get all this stuff now onto your iMovie. So all I do is drag, and as long as you get the little plus sign like that, you're ready to go. So there's one, there's two, there's three, and some pictures that I want to use is there. Okay, pretty easy so far. And what I'm using is a trackpad and also a mouse. I just make it faster. And now you've got to start creating the movie. So here is a picture which I want for the first one. So let's drag it all the way down there. Here you can see how big you want your little tags there. All right, but when you watch this, it's going to sort of not be so good. I'm just going to allow there. So you need to go to here and fill. Now the picture is just going to run, and we can actually go from the very beginning just by hitting the space bar, and you can see that. Just ignore the microphone that's recording. So the next one I want to put in is, I think, this one. All right, so all I do is drag it. Now maybe you want to edit a little bit of this, so make sure you have some volume there and you can listen. So like this. Here is a good question. How? So you can see that at the beginning there's a little bit of empty space. So if you bring your mouse to the beginning and then you can drag it like that to edit, and I think that will be there. Then you check it again. Here is a good question. How do you contact? Now you can see that my voice has a little bit of an echo. So what we need to do is go to this button here, and I'm going to take away something called hum reduction, so you can actually improve your quality of your microphone. All right, I want another one screenshot of the same as earlier, but I don't want it for 8 seconds. It's far too long. Yeah, so let's just take it for about 2, and same routine. Click it there, and you want to make sure it's the full picture, that it's not going to move. It's a bit annoying, but you have to do it each and every time. Now we go to the second video that I shot earlier. This is a little bit longer. Again, drag it down there so you can see that we're creating the movie. Let's have a listen. In this video, alright, same thing. I just want to take a little bit so it goes yellow when you double click it, and we go there. Let's check it. In this video, lovely. Then after this, I want to put the other picture in, like just a YouTube picture there. Same routine. So it gives you a lot of flexibility. And then here is my main video, and I need to put that there. Okay, and then you can see this I've already checked and everything is there. I don't need to do anything else with that. So you can edit it a little bit like that, and just to end it I want this picture here, so exactly the same. Boom. So basically what you need to do is put everything into this screen here, and then you can edit down on this screen there. It's pretty simple to do. Some other features is that you can put in some music, but again, if you put the music into this box here, you can drag it there, and then using these buttons here is really going to help you, and you can do different kind of things. Let me just show you one little trick that you can put in. So this video here, I want to put this picture in between. So I want it there, for example. So when you watch the video, chat with YouTube directly, and this is related to why my monetization. So there you can see that the picture disappears, but you can actually improve that by going to this button here. You can see where the mouse is, and do I want to cut away, and you have different kind of screens there. If you want a cool feature like picture in picture, for example, you can put it like that. If you want to move it around, you can swap it like that. Then you can check to see if it's running correctly. Do the same. Chat with YouTube directly, and this is related to why my monetization. Okay, but what I forgot to do here, you can see, is that I got it on a key burn. I don't want the key burn, I just want it on directly. And there, within a matter of moments, I have done the screen. If you want to add some text to it, you can go to titles, and here you can have lots of different titles. I'm going to just put one in here, for example. Then you can click that. It'll take a little bit of time sometimes because it's using a lot of RAM to do these kind of videos. And it's not going to work with me. Oh no, there we go. And you can see there that you can add in. So I'm just going to put in YouTube, for example. If I want anything else, I can add in, let's say, the date. Let's say October 24. And let's just check if that's working. So each time you do an addition or whatever, just make sure it's there. Here is a good question. How do you... And you can see there. Transitions I don't usually use, but you can go to a transition button and there's lots of different things, and you can put this in between your videos. For example, I want to cross zoom between these two, and I can just add it in here. Then you can see the beginning is going to be a bit different. Again, check what you've done. Here is a good question. And it will look like that, you see. So you can make a special effect. Don't do many of them, they're not. When you're watching a video, if you really want this, it's quite impressive to do for the first time. Occasionally is okay, but people just don't really want it. So you've finished your movie, you've checked it, you've played it, everything is okay, it looks good. So go back to your projects, and it's going to put in my movie. So this one is, the title is How to Contact YouTube. And I press OK. Then it goes back to this screen. If you click it, go down to the three little buttons, can you see here? Go into share, I want it, you can see an email, you can go YouTube directly, prepare for Facebook, other things. I go like this, it's just my own preference. I press file, and you can see there's my video there. Check everything, it's going to go at 180, so it's going to be in high definition HD. In custom, then I just press next. Just wait a little while and save. You can see up here there is a little circle, and with that circle it will show you the completion. If I just move the screen a little bit to here, you can see now is going to my desktop. And basically that is the basics of iMovie. I hope you found it useful. The thing is, really, you just got to play with it for a while, and then you're going to see what different functions are. I only have a 8 gig memory here, so it is sort of pretty slow. But if you have a faster memory like 32, possibly even 64, I could imagine, is going to be beneficial. It does take up a lot of your RAM when you're using it, so don't overuse it because it may actually even crash your computer as well. But that is iMovie, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you a pleasant afternoon. Bye bye.